Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video of my CCSA series, we will dive into the configuration of IP addresses for the various devices used in our Checkpoint CCSA lab environment. This step is crucial to ensure that our lab setup functions correctly and mimics the real-world network environment. So join me as we walk through the process, providing tips and best practices for optimal setup. So let's start with this machine, ADMZ. If we look here, we can see that we need a device, a Windows server in my case, that will be used as a web server. So here we can start this machine. I have already configured the IP addresses, but I will show you how to do it. So this machine should have the same IP address and the same gateway as this one here, and it will be connected to this interface. We will get back to the interfaces in the gateway, but in this video we'll focus on our devices, not the gateways. Now, here I press Ctrl Alt and insert, not delete. So we press once here, network and internet settings. So my host machine is only a normal laptop. It's not so fancy machine. So if we look here, we can see that my CPU is 100%, but it will work. You see that OBS is dragging too much, but it will work to do this lab. So we don't need to run all these machines at the same time. We maybe at top need to run 3 or 4 at the same time. So here we can press Ethernet and then change up the adapter options. Double click this, properties, and IPv4. So we can look here. So the IP address here should be the same as in our topology. So you can see it 12.1.12.1, and the gateway is 12.1.12.1. So okay, so this machine now is ready. We will install the web server later in this series, but now we can shut down this one for now. And then the only thing that is needed then is the network adapter settings here. I have put it on VMnet 12, and the reason is why, because here, as you can see here, we have many interfaces on the gateway. So each device here is connected to a different segment. So we need a segmentation in VMware Workstation, and I will show you later how to do all of the segmentation. So now we can take the next machine, AGUI, and we need to do the same for AGUI, ALDAP. ALDAP is the Active Directory, a host, CSR is a router. This router needs its own video to show you how to configure it. This Cisco router, CSR Cisco router, and the bhost. All these machines are Windows machines, Windows servers. So only you need to follow this topology and configure the IP addresses. So everything is then will be right. So that was for this video. In the next video we will start configuring the gateways and the smart management server. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.